Is there a big Diwali bonanza for the middle class of the country? Going by the key takeaway from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech, here's what we have gathered. Prime Minister Modi said, the bonanza for middle class is that there's going to be a next level GST reform that will ease the middle class life. What does Prime Minister mean by that? That the goods will turn cheaper after the GST reforms. There's Diwali as well. Next generation GST reforms. The middle class benefiting from the tax relief in the budget. And now there's another reference coming in also for the smaller entrepreneurs, the ones who are indulging in startups as well. Let's listen into what exactly did Prime Minister Modi say.
साथियों, इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्यमी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा। रोजमर्रा की चीजें बहुत सस्ती हो जाएगी और उससे इकोनॉमी को भी एक नया बल मिलने वाला है।
My colleague from Business Today Television, our associate editor Chetan Bhutani, joins me for the latest on that. Chetan, good morning. Tell me about this specific takeaway, because this is beyond politics. This may concern directly to people, especially the entrepreneurs. What is it about this next level GST reforms that Prime Minister Modi says will be a bonanza?
Well, Pooja, good morning. We have been seeing over a long period of time that the government has been, thinking to cut taxes and provide relief to the income to the middle class. A lot of government incentives related schemes have also been rolled out by the government. We've seen, MSME relief schemes. We have seen credit line extension schemes. We have seen PLI schemes for various sectors coming in. But yes, a very big announcement from Prime Minister Modi at the Independence Day speech coming over about certain GST rate reduction that has been doing the talks of the town for a very long time. Might come through this Diwali. In fact, we're expecting that the lower GST tax slab could potentially include items like pulses, rice, besan. We could also expect relief to be provided to the common man by reducing GST on toothpaste, kitchen utensils, footwear, and ready-made garments in a certain price range may also come down. We're also expecting commodities like air conditioners to come back from a highly taxed 28% bracket to lower down to about 15 to 12 odd percent. So clearly, a whole lot of items. We are also expecting more items that fall under the purview of highly taxed regime, including ghee, rice, besan, pulses, and other items, which actually create a lot of issues for the common man. But yes, the government is considering to reduce it, and in fact, announced by the Prime Minister himself. We are expecting that from time to come, we'll have relief measures in those areas.
Interesting. So this is something that the details of which are, of course, awaited, but Prime Minister Modi says we are aiming to make it into a bonanza for the middle class specifically, something that the largely the group of people across the country will be looking forward to. Chetan, thank you very much.